Hi, I'm Amy Phillips, e-learning specialist for KYOCERA Document Solutions America. This instructional video will introduce you to the latest version of one of KYOCERA's most popular business applications, SharePoint Connector, powered by HiPass. In today's business environment, online document storage and collaboration have become essential. Business professionals need to be able to access shared documents quickly and securely. Microsoft SharePoint is a customized web platform hosted on either an on-premise server in SharePoint 2007 or 2010, or online via the cloud in SharePoint Online. Are your customers utilizing their SharePoint server or online account effectively? SharePoint and KYOCERA's connector help customers become more efficient by minimizing the time required for searching for documents by storing all documents in one central database, saving storage space by scanning hard copy documents from the HiPass-enabled or capable MFP into SharePoint, automating approval processes with customized forms and workflows, creating and storing vertical-specific documents and forms such as patient forms for healthcare, leases for real estate, and contracts for legal, and reducing costs by unifying resources and documents from various company depositories and websites into one centralized location. SharePoint is quickly becoming one of the most widely used document storage and collaboration tools in the world. As of October 2011, Microsoft reported that over 125 million licenses have been sold, and that SharePoint will become its first $2 billion software. With such a vast number of users, many customers are looking for an efficient way to manage document input to and output from their SharePoint solution, making KYOCERA SharePoint Connector an extremely valuable application. KYOCERA SharePoint Connector is a HiPass application that directly integrates with Microsoft SharePoint servers. SharePoint Connector 4.0 also connects to SharePoint Online with Microsoft 365, providing a secure doorway into document libraries directly from the HiPass-enabled or capable MFP. Users can easily print from and scan to SharePoint, maximizing productivity and increasing efficiency within their department. SharePoint Connector 4.0 also offers optional advanced OCR, powered by OmniPage, giving users the ability to create multiple file types such as Word, Excel, and searchable PDF. The key benefits for KYOCERA SharePoint Connector are: KYOCERA SharePoint Connector provides convenient on-demand access, browsing, printing, and scanning of SharePoint document libraries directly from the control panel. Customized metadata fields allow users to provide accurate and searchable details for every document that is scanned. SharePoint Connector 4.0 also supports SharePoint Online, making the application essential for Microsoft Office 365 users. And finally, advanced OCR powered by OmniPage is also available for creating Word, Excel, searchable PDF, TXT, CSV, XPS, and HTML files. Now let me show you how SharePoint Connector 4.0 works. To access SharePoint, first under Applications on the HiPass-enabled device, select SharePoint Connector. If multiple servers are configured, select the server you would like to access. Then select Login and enter your username, password, and optionally a domain name. Once you've logged in, you have the option of browsing any available sites or document libraries on the SharePoint server or SharePoint Online. KYOCERA's connector is so robust, it's as if users virtually leave the MFP and have direct access into their SharePoint server. Once inside the document library or site, you have multiple options. To print, select the folder you would like to browse. Highlight a document to print and select Print File. Select the duplex option if desired and enter the number of desired copies. Then select Done. To scan, select the folder you would like to scan to. From inside the destination folder, select Scan Here. Enter the metadata for the document. Select Done. Select your scanning preferences and press Scan. Your document will now appear within the folder. To create a new folder, from inside the destination folder or site, select New Folder. Enter the name of the folder and select Done. KYOCERA's SharePoint connector is yet another example of how KYOCERA does more than just manufacture award-winning hardware. We're providing total document solutions that meet the needs of customers across all organizations. Whether supporting project collaboration or document management, KYOCERA Document Solutions can address every customer's unique needs.